When evaluating how your investments grow over time, the simple average can be misleading. Let's look at the geometric mean. The geometric mean is a specific type of average that shows the central tendency of a set of numbers by using their product. Unlike the arithmetic mean, which adds numbers and divides, the geometric mean multiplies them, which is perfect for measuring annual growth rates. It is essential because it accounts for the volatility of your returns, providing a more accurate picture of your true portfolio performance. While the arithmetic mean is easy to calculate, it ignores the reality that losing 10% requires more than 10% to recover. As you can see, the arithmetic mean often paints a rosier picture, while the geometric mean reflects your actual bottom-line results. Always check if your fund performance is reported as a geometric mean to get an honest look at your historical returns. Thanks for watching. Understanding these calculations helps you make better sense of your statements. Please consult a professional for your specific needs.